Idi Amin was not elected, and he wasn't. Idi Amin was not even educated.
Alright, wetugirire ssebo zineno ha President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni abamutadde ku bunkenke abanyankole abavuddeyo ne bagamba nedda ssebo oyagala tutomeza. Dr. Kizza Besigye byonna yali yabyogerako ndowooza mumuwulidde nga video etandika. Ngendako nga okulengerera ka clip ke mu maaso awo konna osobola okubeera nga okawulira. Otupe ebibuuzo mu comment section. Do you think President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni agenda kusimatuka oba anaasobola okubeera nga agusa kyonna kyayagala okugusa? Video njala tugiwa obudde jimpereka like esokubeera nga etambula katana okubeera nga subscribing how we get ku mukutu guffe guno. Olunaku olwaleero nga bwe nkugambye abakulu abanyankole nabo abavuddeyo ne bagamba nedda ssebo President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni twagala okulaba freedom, twagala kulaba justice eri omuntu waffe amanyikiddwa nga Dr. Kizza Besigye. Mujjuke bulungi kino naye ava sides eyo Western Uganda kitegeezebwa ddala abantu beeyo baba bakola ki, baba bamwagala era kyova olaba President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni amutaddeko amaanyi nnyo. Akimanyi anytime from now basobola okumwefuulira ne balina okubeera nga baagala Dr. Kizza Besigye. Si byakwogera ne bosooka owuliriza ono ng'alabula abayima nga bagamba nti oh my god bwe munaasigala nga mutulugunya bannayuganda nammwe akaseera kamwe kajja kutuukawo. Mujjukire bulungi kino n'abanodhana bali balinako obuyinza.
N'abalamutse Banyayuganda, message egi nyenda ngweze owa buli munyankole weena and most especially imwe bihimamu. Ndebere videos nyingi ha social media abantu nibarra abari kwiboha amataka gabo, abakazi nibarra, abashaija nibarra noreeba omushaija ari ha social media narrateire emikono aha mutwe bamushenyeire enju yaha mugongo nibaita enteze nibateera abaana b'obutaka nibukura. Noreeba omukazi narra nateera enduura ateire emikono aha mutwe naburoga agumiza ati abasirikare bakatahirira eka yange bateera abaana amasasi, bateera abakozi amasasi, ente bayiteera obutaka bwakura. Hariho omukazi wundi giri kureeba ari aha social media aha naburoga kuba atemera omwana we kwari aha kitanda enju kuba gishenyire kwari omukazi kwari kupangisa kwatene na sente z'okukashashura ente manya bakaziita naburoga nateerera Museveni enduuru. Ekyobusaasi munonga ekiri kukirayo ekyobusaasi kumuri kuba nimurra nimuboroga murra Museveni ngumize Museveni tuyambe, Muhoozi tuyambe, abantu nibatwita nibatwibaho amataka gaitu, nibaita abaana baitu, nibaita abantu baitu. Nekyobusaasi munonga kureeba omuntu wenka orikubaita niwe muri kurra. Ebyo muri kureeba byona ekikiba amataka ekiri mu Uganda buri kihagaro kyona ebyo muri kureeba ebyo byona nibyebemberwa Museveni. Aba bantu muri kureeba bari kubibaho amataka gabo Museveni nabamanyagye munonga. Aba basirikare muri kureeba bari kwija bakateera abaana banyu amasasi, bakateera abantu banyu amasasi, bakabibaho amataka ganyu numureeba amataka. Hariho omukazi wundi giri kureeba narra naburoga ati mpezeho emyaka 40 agamataka ganyu gumuherezeho emyaka n'emyaka omuntu akaija akagabibaho kifuba mutakagira ngo nibakurwa abandi nibakurwa Museveni na Muhoozi. Ezi mbunda eziri kwija aba basirikare bari kwija bakateera abaana banyu amasasi bakaita abantu nibakurwa Muhoozi Kainerugaba mutabani wa Museveni. Ezi mbunda ezimuri kureeba nizimanagingwa Museveni na Muhoozi. Ezi mbunda eziri kwita abaana banyu, ezi mbunda eziri kwita abantu banyu, ezi mbunda eziri kubibaho amataka ganyu kifuba, ezi bari kukozesa kubateera amasasi, kubabinga omu maju ganyu kifuba, kuhenda amaju ganyu, kushenya amaju ganyu, nizimanagingwa Muhoozi naishi. So kumuri kuba nimurra mugumize Museveni tuyambe, Museveni Muhoozi tuyambe, twafa abantu batwita we naba nasheka nimba numushemeze. Ekyo nicyo kiri kumushemeza konka imwe tumuri kukimanya. Ekyo nicyo kiri kumushemeza naba nanda kureeba nimurra. IGG Inspector General of Government Museveni yateire mu position eyobwa IGG akagamba ebigambo ebi akagira ati buri mushuma weena orikwiba sente za government, buri mushuma weena orikwiba amataka, buri mushuma weno orukwiba buri kintu cyo no mu Uganda ko rukuza kumukurata oshanga man nagaye mu State House ebe bikaba biri ibigambo by'omuntu owateirwa Museveni mu office ejo. So imwe abantu mwe mureke kurra omwinazi wanyu, omwinazi wihanga ryitu, omutemu wihanga ryitu, orukwita ihanga ryitu. Imwe cyo tumuri kukimanya oba muri yakimanya ryari tinkumanya ni Museveni n'Mutabani. Tariho mushuma wena orukusanga umuntu umwitakariye ahereza imwe myaka 20 akamwiha mu kifuba ateyine mani kurwo mu State House. Tariho rango mwiguru konke cyo tumuri kukimanya ogwo muri kurra omuri kwagira no hurra itwe tukakutera karuru, itwe tukakurondera karuru, itwe tukaterwa habo kurondera karuru mbwene hate ibintu byo tushashwiremo manye biha saranga kwakubayigura obongo, saranga kwakuboreka Museveni the real Museveni na Museveni omutari kumanya imwe Museveni omuri kumanya no gwo hamaisho ogwo ranga kwakumbahiraho atmask yayetereho mukareba Museveni the real Museveni nubwo mwakumanya ngogo n'umwinazi wanyu, nubwo mwakumanya ngogo tene cyari kubenza, nubwo mwakumanya ngogo nanda kubareba numurra, nanda kubareba muri yaboro, nanda kubareba muri yabanaku, nanda kubareba mu situation ege yimurumu rango mwiguru ekyo mukimanye mwiguru obwongo bwanyu manye ngo egi government ni yeri yone bashityaho buri hagaro cyona buru butembono buru kubashikaho egi government ni yeri kubashityaho mukimanye.
Alright, ndozo mukulu mumulide bulungi nnyo video ibadde mu Nyankole naye kyemmanya basinga since we are the Bantus ebirala mba mukola ki mba mubitegeera awo nyini nyongera kujjukiza omukulu amanyikidwa nga Jeno Bijirwa video nategeeza president wa Kaguta Museveni and a day ku drawing board kubanga mutabani we Jeno Muhoozi Kainerugaba agenda kumwitomeza anytime from now ate wanatomera oh my god teli kudda mujuke bulungi tino ICC, United Nation, EU, NATO zonna hazitunudde Uganda sawa zino His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi mu ango zizonna ali mu kubeera nga yogera nabo ya anytime from now banatera okutuwa statement zaabwe ku nsonga zigenda maaso mu ggwanga Uganda. Sokoleze Jeno Bijirwa ombulire mulowooza tiseza bulungi oba bubi
ubulire ebigenda mu maaso si bya jjajja kubanga jjajja gwemanyi talwana bwatyo
jjajja
kubanga jjajja eyatalwa Kasisi jjajja badde akola ne Moses Ali abo bona baali bamunoonya mutta tubiyite ebyokusaaga
naye jjajja
lindako jjajja eyawa abaana ba Amini emirimu gwe Idi Amin ne jjajja olutalo teruggwanga nakati jjajja ayogera 2002 Idi Amin as we fought Idi Amin ekitumye Muhoozi
yali Idi Amin
olera Idi Amin
wow jjajja yali amanyi taguka
yali amanyi tasuka Idi Amin batabanyi ba Idi Amin bakesi ba jjajja
bali mu iso
bali mu kibavuga zihama. What are you talking about? Dr. Besigye contribution ye ku success ya jjajja abantu bagimanyi
yali yamanyi nnyo
abalamu bakyaliwo abagirabako
kituufu
bebanyumiza obunyumiza naffe wetuli
butereevu
omanyi omuntu gwe banyumiza emboozi ate ye bw'aba aginyumyewo walala ayongeramu n'ebibye
nesobola okunyikira obulungi
bebanyumiriza obunyumiriza naffe tukyaliwo kakati tewali mutuusiza ku eyo level jjajja tafunamu ekyokubiri notisi zino zaani notisi zino nalaba ebigambo bya mwami Andrew Mwenda nga avaawo bubi nnyo ne mwami Ssemujjungano TVM
yes
obusungu bwa Andrew Mwenda ku Dr. Besigye bwe busungu tiimu ya Andrew Mwenda bwerina okigedde
yes
kakati tiimu ya Andrew Mwenda jjajja nze njagala mutegeeza gavumenti eno ya Jeno Yoweri Kaguta Museveni tenafuuka ya Jeno Muhoozi Kainerugaba
tennaba n'akatono oli CDF naye tutunulidde President Museveni
gwe tubanja buli kintu kyonna
era Besigye n'afa
abaafiiridde ku mulembe gwani
President Museveni yakikoze tetugamba CDF
aleme nakugamba mbu kakati obuyinza obumu ngenze mu bwaka abavubuka bagenda kuyiwa ekintu kyo
mu bwangu.
Nze nkubuulira nze Genomozi muwe ekitiibwa kimuvuma.
Toli muntu wakola yakuvuma.
I respect him as a CDF. Ekyamazima alina changes zatadde mu military. Oziraba nga zikola ki?
Zitambula.
Weeziri relevance ye weeri. Ebintu byakoze bitegerekeka. Naye ekintu ekyoku myemyola space tekiwangaza government tebakulimba.
Buli lwonyigiriza ennyo abantu batuuka ne bwaguka.
Ezimu ku nsonga lwaki jjajja tutwaliriza netuuka okwejjukiza nti tumulwanyise nga tetukya nga amaanyi alina mangi lwakuba yalekawo ka space abantu bakola ki we beetaayiza. Notisi z'aba Andrew Mwenda tezigenda kukola. Nze bino bigambo byange. Andrew Mwenda ye UPC eri enkadde
ey'obote eye bambi nnyo.
Wekiwulidde tomanya ava mu famire ya UPC.
Nawulira bagamba bwe bati
buva mu background ya UPC. Kakati jjajja kenyini yagamba wano juzi ng'akungubagira ni Idi Amin n'okubiwandiika yabiwandiika n'agamba nti bawamba abasirikale b'obote baali ba Amin wava e Tanzania mu lulumba olusooka ne babasalako ne babawamba. Aba agenze oba yali agenze kukola ki kuleeta moroka biki bano abasirikale be yalekera bali background ya UPC. Jukira Amin yali akijje abajeeko ekintu. Jjajja aba ali eri atetenkanya kino nakiri agenda okuwulira amasasi gakoze ki gavuga basa abasajja
babasa amangu awo.
N'akomawo Katonda bafune friendly fire n'abagamba abasajja bawanise tubajeeko emundu tubatadde chini ya ulinzi tugenda nabo tujje twongere n'okubajjamu amawulire amalala muse baaki mutuwolera ggwanga. Eyo nkola ya ki UPC. Kati oba oyagala okuwolera eggwanga ku Dr. Besigye ekisooka tewaliwo nsonga gy'osobola mugamba nti omuwolerako ggwanga
erabikako.
Public tojja giprovinga ku ekyo.
Public yerabanga go batulugunya
tojja muprovinga ku ekyo. Goba amawulire ag'ekikeesi gaakuwa nti ayagala kumamulako kintu gaali ga kikeesi ga munda.
Alright, akavidiyo k'omukulu Sam Mugumya yongere ddala okuwa Abannayuganda essuubi batya Abannayuganda bamu abali bawagira Kibalama batandise okulaba nga kirabika Kibalama wonna waali akyalinamu ku bulamu kubanga bano basajja olaba ekifaananyi kya Sam Mugumya. Oh my God, I know what he was going through, but all I know that he has gone through hell. That's the right word I think that I can use at this juncture. Kubangi pedala uomutunulira kuobo osobola okulaba nti nno omuntu oyinza okulowooza musajja mulwadde wa sikosi naye mujuke bulungi nti nno mukulu yabeerako bweri kitegeeza ebyadala experience gy'era alina tasobola kubeera nga alabika bwe batyo. Kitegeeza bano basajja balina ebirala bye baamukubamu omusaayi oba takyalina nakulya oba nosanga nga ne virus bagimukubamu dda eya siriimu. Vidiyo sooka ogirabireko omukyalo ono ng'ayomba abaana Bannayuganda essuubi nti ne byadala bapuliko opizona zabaabula kirabika bakyali balamu. Sooka owulirize tumaye tuyongere.
It is on record that the Ugandan government acknowledged that John Bosco Kibalama was in their custody 7 years ago. To date, he is missing. His wife is deceased. His children still have a missing father, and their mom passed. Mysteriously, by the way. Let's not forget John Damolida, same story. 8 years ago, he was abducted. His wife is deceased as well. His children, they have a missing father and a mother that just passed this year. You have a honorable member of parliament abducted. For 20 days, the military denies having him in their custody. The police force, the Uganda police, denies having him. 20 days later, he's dumped at a police station. No arrests are done whatsoever. The US advises its citizens not to step foot in Uganda. But you as a Ugandan, you're so mad at that. And you're citing the country losing out on, the dollars coming in from the tourists. But you're not angry at mad that abductions are happening in your country, that people can go missing and the police and the military cannot account for them. So you're worried that there are governments that they care for their people and worry for their safety, that they are advising Uganda. People are missing and nobody knows where they are. Nobody knows who is holding them accountable. So please don't step foot there because we care about your safety. But you as a Ugandan, where your country, this is happening in your country. People go missing for years. Nobody knows where they are. I mean, if the military tells us they don't have them, although at the end of the day, those who show up after months and months and months, crippled, like we see Sam Mugumya. Tonight, a video is circulating of Sam Mugumya, crippled, held somewhere in a basement. Still nobody has seen him. But we have a short video circulating. Crippled, the last time he was seen, he was walking, very healthy man. He went missing, he was abducted. They're still holding him incommunicado. But you as a Ugandan, you're not worried that your country is that unsafe, but rather you're angry. It tickles you that the US put travel restrictions for its citizens as far as Uganda is concerned. Like, there is no value for life in Uganda. Everything is just business as usual. Whether somebody goes missing, it is okay. And the military will come and say, well, we don't know where he is. We very much know Uganda today is run by the military. It has always been anyway under Museveni government. Okay? And the police force denies